let's solve some of the questions which were asked in the comparative study of religions. Now, this idea of comparative study of religion envisages various religions, and we would understand those as well as the general understanding about the theory of the religion. So, hermeneutics is a discipline that deals with what? So, it deals with interpretation of the sacred text, and this has been written by Jean Gordon. Jean Gordon actually mentioned it in the introduction to philosophical hermeneutics, and this talked about the boundaries of being sacred. So what is considered as a divine message, what is considered as sacred, is interpreted through hermeneutics, and this is the correct answer for this question. The next question says the statement religion is an ultimate concern has been given by Paul Tillich. Now, this statement that religion is an ultimate concern has been given by him to explain the context in terms of faith and the times at which you stand by God. So, overlooking the aesthetic viewpoint and understanding that the claim that they don't believe in God, but there is still an ultimate concern that expresses the details or the religiosity exists, and this was an idea laid down by Paul Tillich. The next question is a very interesting dialogue between Yam and Yami. Now, this dialogue has been mentioned in our early Vedic text, which is the Rigveda. Of the four Vedas, Rigveda is considered to be the most ancient among those, and this is considered as the praise of wisdom, where Yam and Yami were considered as a result, the first two mortal beings, as a result of the coupling of Surya and Sanjana. So, based on that, the true primordial twins that were there were Yam and Yami, based in the Rigvedic concept. So, again, a very basic and a very important question. The next is Indrasabhā and Jagannāthasabhā are located in the cave temples in Ellora. Now, Indrasabhā and Jagannāthasabhā, Ellora temples are known first of all for the Buddhist architecture, the Jaina architecture, as well as the Hindu temples. Now, of these, the largest cluster is known as Indrasabhā, and Indrasabhā is a double-story 13 excavations which are done, and Jagannāthasabhā is the second major group, which is the cutouts from the northwest of the Ellora caves, and both of them are an important architectural marvel, focusing on the history of the cave temples. The next question is the language of Jain Aṅga Canons is. Now, the Jain Aṅga or Agams have been written in Prakrit. Now, this Prakrit had been called as Ardha Magdi as well as Saurya Seni Magdi. So, what is the Saurya Seni Prakrit? So, two forms of Prakrit. One is the dramatic Prakrit, which is also known as Ardha Magdi, and this is primitively in the regions of Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. And the second was the Sauraseni Prakrit, and this is in the clan of the Indo-Aryan, the Central Indo-Aryan we could say, and both of these have developed as a result of the Jain Agams, and the Jain Aṅga or the canons actually focus on Ardha Magdi as one of the major languages. However, for Buddha, the Buddhist text, the language was predominantly Pali. Brahmins used to have the text in Sanskrit. Sanskrit was considered as a language of elite. However, Pali and Prakrit during that time was considered the language of common people, and therefore these religions were considered to be spreading to the common people and having their messages laid down to the common people. So the correct answer for here is Ardha Magdi. So those are some of the common topics that we have taken, the questions we have taken from the comparative study of religion. The complete video course and the paper solutions with study material is available on the link below on doorsteptutor. If you have any questions, you can raise those in the comment section itself, and we'll be more than happy to answer your queries. Thanks for joining in today.